Video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automated n8n workflow that turns Google Sheets rows into AI-written WordPress drafts. We'll start by setting up a schedule trigger in n8n so the workflow runs automatically each day. Choose the hour you want, like 4 a.m., and remember to align it with your n8n server's time zone. This trigger is what checks your Google Sheet daily for any posts scheduled to publish today. Next, connect a Google Sheets node to pull all your post details from your spreadsheet. Your sheet should include the publish date, primary and secondary keywords, categories or subcategories, questions and a summary, internal and external links, word count, style, author, website, a CTA URL, and the customer offer. Add an IF node to compare the spreadsheet date with today's date, and only continue for rows that match. It helps to keep dates in a consistent format, like YYYYMDD. Use a set node to prepare and sanitize the fields you'll feed into AI, so everything is clean, typed correctly, and ready for generation. With your data prepped, drop in the OpenAI or LangChain node to generate the full article package. Pass in your keywords, service areas, links, offer, style, and target word count. This node will return a structured set of outputs, a title and subtitle, chapter sections with internal and external links, an introduction and conclusion, a meta title and description, a URL slug, an FAQ section, and a thumbnail title. Follow this with a code node that converts the JSON into final HTML suitable for WordPress, including a properly formatted title. To enrich internal linking, fetch your post sitemap using an HTTP request node. Convert the XML to JSON, split out the URLs, and aggregate them into a usable list. This gives you a pool of internal links to weave into the article chapters for better SEO and navigation. Now send the article to WordPress using the WordPress node. Provide the post title, HTML content, slug, category ID, tags, and author ID. The post is created as a draft so you can review before publishing. Create the featured image by generating an SEO-friendly title wrap in a JavaScript code node, editing the base image with the edit image node, and, if needed, fetching that base with an HTTP request. Upload the final image to WordPress via HTTP and set it as the featured image. Finish by pushing SEO metadata with HTTP requests, Yoast meta title, description, open graph, Twitter card, and a concise post excerpt. Finally, notify the admin using the Gmail node, including the post title, scheduled date, and a direct link to the WordPress dashboard.